Shalom, shalom, Israel partners, and welcome. Welcome to our weekly report. Now from the soil of America, we are in Philadelphia right now, surrounded by snow, and everything looks so white and naive and beautiful. We just came back from Israel for this period of time where we're going to meet a lot of you in your churches, in your synagogues. I'm very, very happy to announce that there are multiple congregations that invited us to speak about what's going on in the spirit, what's happening in Israel, how we are connecting the Jewish roots of the faith to Christianity all together. This is an amazing time to be living in this world as we're feeling the end times right now. And we know for sure that as we are pressing in and as we are continuing to come closer and to get reunited and reconnected, Jews and Gentiles together, the enemy is trying to target us. We're seeing what's happening in the Gulf right now when Iran is intimidating their own people, and even said recently that if the US is going to attack, they're going to retaliate directly on Tel Aviv, on Israel. They already see the connection between the US and Israel. They see the connection between the people of God and the people of evil, and therefore we are here to pray together with you, to build a united front against evil, to make sure that even the people of Iran, who doesn't want to live under such an oppressing regime, will be able to get some freedom they deserve. And we want you to know that for whatever reason, God has orchestrated this time for us to be here on that soil together with you, that we can be always united in prayer for a better world. And we're praying also for our enemies. We're praying also for the regime there in Iran to see the light. We're praying also for our enemies because we know that this is the command that God gave us. He told us to pray for our enemies, to make sure that we will be in a place where we can bring them in. And this is my journey right now. I'm coming over to your churches, to your places. There's more people that are asking me to come, and I'm very happy to let you know that I have a few dates that are still open. I'm going to post it on my Facebook. But the main thing is that we are setting up an entire body of intercessors, of really people that can pray in the spirit and pray together for peace, for love, and for freedom in this world. There's a lot of surprises coming on, so I know that you are waiting and I'm waiting to meet you face to face, to be together with you, not only through the internet, but now physically in your churches, in your synagogues, and we're going to pray together for lovely peace in the world. These are some pendants and keychains that I've designed and made in Israel. I'm bringing them with me, and I hope that you would like them and support us as well.